Hi there, Derick Van Ness here from Big Life Financial, and I want to talk about something that's near and dear to my heart, and that is cash value life insurance and why I love it. Now, a lot of people don't know very much about it, and I want to talk about why I think it's a fantastic choice for a lot of people. The first thing is what most people know about life insurance is that it has a death benefit, and that's true. And that when you die, it pays out to your heirs, and that's absolutely true, and it's a very effective way to pass money from one generation to the next. However, that's where most people's understanding runs out. So I want to talk a little bit more about a couple of key things that I think are valuable about cash value life insurance. One of them is there's a component called cash value. And if you do it right, cash value can actually grow at a very nice rate. There's a guaranteed rate, and then you can earn dividends on top of that. So you get a consistent rate of return that I don't know that you can find in very many other vehicles. The other thing is that cash is liquid, and you can get really effective tax benefits. Now, those can vary depending on how you structure it, but there's some ways to make it work really, really well. In addition to that, of course, it protects your family along the way. If something were to happen to you, making sure that they're safe is going to be a high priority to your family, right? So for those reasons, I think cash value life insurance is an incredible option for most people, and especially for business owners. And if you'd like to know more, I'd love to tell you how. Now, the other side of that is that there are other people out there like Dave Ramsey and Susie Orman who say it's a terrible choice for your money. And I have to disagree with them. The reality is they're talking about if you misuse a policy and you don't set it up properly, how it can be inefficient. And there's some truth to that. In fact, every financial tool that I know of, if you don't use it properly, it's not going to be a great thing for you. However, what they don't talk about is your access to cash, how you can get a consistent rate of return, and how being able to access that cash and do things with your life, build your dreams instead of having your money tied up somewhere else, being able to access your cash when things get tough so that you don't have to get knocked down so far if the economy steps back or a job changes or somebody gets sick. I think there's a whole lot there that's never being talked about. If you look at it purely from a rate of return standpoint, there's also an argument to be made that it will far exceed what you'll get in some of the investment options that they talk about, even though it's only a savings vehicle. So, if you're believing what Susie Orman and Dave Ramsey say, I would say it's time to think twice about that, and I'd love for you to reach out to us so we can show you the difference and help you run the numbers so you can see the truth behind it.